Hi, my name's Caitlin Cowan. I'm a postdoctoral researcher at the APC Microbiome Island, but I'm here to tell you about some of the work that I did during my PhD under the supervision of Professor Rick Richardson at the University of New South Wales in Australia. So, we'd been interested for a really long time in how early life stress affects behaviour across development. In this study, we wanted to see if we could replicate some previous finding that early stress also alters physical development, and in particular, the onset of puberty. In addition, we wanted to look at treatments for early stress. So we used a very simple probiotic treatment full of beneficial bacteria to try and dampen the effects of early life stress. Basically, we wanted to check if a treatment that we knew worked for stress-induced behavioural changes would also work for stress-induced physical changes. We used a rodent model of early life stress known as maternal separation. What this means is that pups were removed from their mothers for a few hours per day during the first 2 weeks of life. During that same time period, we gave the mothers our probiotic treatment mixed into their drinking water. While the mothers are the ones that get direct access to the probiotic treatment, we know that those beneficial bacteria also get to the pups through the mother's breast milk and also through the way that she licks and grooms them to care for them. As these pups matured, we then started to check them for the first signs of physical puberty onset. In males, we found that their physical development was delayed by the experience of early life stress. But in females, we found the opposite. Early stress accelerated their development, so they started to show the physical signs of puberty at a younger age than their unstressed peers. This kind of difference between the sexes is common and matches with previous work in both rodents and humans. Most excitingly, we found that the probiotics reverse the effects of stress. So no matter whether it was males or females, when we looked at those animals that had been exposed to probiotics during the stressor, it was as if they'd never been stressed at all. This fits really nicely with our previous work showing that probiotics restore normal trajectories of behavioural maturation. It also fits in with a really interesting and growing body of work that suggests that certain beneficial bacteria can help individuals cope with stress. Of course, more work needs to be done to make sure this translates to humans, but it's a really exciting base to work from.